psychology of eco-friendly development.
And they're in the Envisage Mercy Environmental Sustainability and Justice Club. Go ahead and tell them.
Okay, so we got this machine today from Japan. It's a $13,000 machine. We're going to have it here for 6 months, and then it's going to go to Iraq. Basically what the machine does is it turns plastic back into oil again. So in this part of the machine, we put in plastic bags. We put in water over here. And this oil that you see here is created by the plastic inside there.
Wow. You put styrofoam, plastic in the cafeteria, plastic bags, and like waited 3 hours. And or you can use it for motor, for like use it for your car, so it has to be.
We have to put it in through the machine twice.
You use it for your car, use it for your generator. You can make it at home. It's so simple to make.
How many of these machines are in the U.S.?
Not a lot.
There's probably, I've only heard of 3 others personally, could be more.
Like at home, in like their own backyard, using like every day.
Are they
Garbage.
using it in the U.S. for practical purposes or just for studying?
It's now, there's a $250,000 unit that's the size of this whole table and up to here that processes hundreds of kilograms per hour. And then there's a $1 million machine that does tons per hour. And it has a payback period of 13 months, meaning if you sold the oil that comes out at $3 a gallon, it would pay for itself in 13 months.
So all these plastics, one of the things that are recyclables.
Yeah, although the plastic bottles are not used in machines like this because they're too valuable, they actually recycle them back into bottles. But the caps are used in this, as are, we just use a Cocoa Puffs cup and plastic spoons.
Imagine if we invested the money to make this instead of going to Iraq. We could save a whole lot of money. Gas would be cheaper. Clean up the planet at the same time. How much is this machine?
$13,000.
And you spend $1 trillion going across the world.
And you can't put a price tag on the health if it's going to help with the health and cleaning up the planet.
Yeah, they're using it.
I didn't know this existed.
There's a company who bought one of these on the West Coast that's using them to clean up the plastic vortex in the ocean where all the plastic bags are killing turtles and sea life in that place.
I'm very familiar with that, yes.
Right, so they're bringing one of these on a ship, although a bigger one. They have one of these little ones for demonstration like we have at Mercy, but they have a bigger one on the ship, and they go out and they gather it, and then they run the ship on the oil that's produced.
Very interesting. Thank you.
It's called Blest.
Blessed, yeah.
Blest? This machine is called Blest?
Blessed.
Who named it?
The Japanese.
Japanese.
Cool, yeah. Cool.
Thank you.
Sure thing.